And in this video we are going to resolve a problem, and problem is that when we record our screen in OBS, then it appears blurry. So you can resolve this issue by doing a very simple step. First I am going to show you the actual settings that I have while my screen is appearing very blurred. So you need to go on the settings option, and first you need to check this video, and here you will be able to see if your resolutions are different from each other, then you need to set them same, then this issue will be resolved. In my case this worked for me, so I hope this will work for you, and if not then you can ask me through comment section. We will see another option also. So in this video you will get the solution for this one. So this is about the first. In the next step you will be able to see the second view where this whole section will be properly visible. Okay, so this time I have turned my settings to the same resolution of base and the output. Okay, so here you can see this, and you will be able to see the results while you are watching the video. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if this trick worked for you, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.